You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is a very interesting word from music, but that sometimes expands to other areas. A recurrent theme throughout a musical or literary composition as well. Leitmotif is how it's said, okay? It looks like it should be said leitmotif. No, leitmotif. You do want to stress a bit on that last syllable. Leitmotif is how you say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.